Hi guys, hope you guys have had a good, amazing week so far. Hopefully you guys trade. If you guys trade FOMC yesterday, I didn't trade FOMC yesterday at all. I was out. Hopefully you guys didn't do anything too crazy. Yesterday was a lot of volume, so let me just set up and get on with my analysis, shall we? My camera on. Okay, cool. So let me just do my monthly analysis like we always do, right? So yesterday we had FOMC. It seems like we moved quite a bit. Let me see when we go down to our daily. So we have PPI today, and then we got consumer confidence tomorrow. So monthly, right? 19 days left on a monthly. There's nothing to say on a monthly overall apart from we are pushing up, and we have our resistance here at 23.64, right? And our support on the monthly is 23.47. Now, until we have a different candles printed, and then we can actually figure out what's the possibility. However, overall, structure-wise, we are very bullish right now. We're pushing up. 19 days left on a monthly candle. Plenty of time for it to push and show the sign of where it wants to go from this monthly candle, right? So overall, so far we are pushing towards that. We created our new all-time high the other day, 23.64, and we have been hovering around there. So this is a range on the monthly, right? So overall, on a higher time frame, monthly, we don't really have much to say, right? There isn't much to say at all, apart from this monthly candle has no top wick, this monthly candle has no bottom wick, and previous monthly candle has no bottom wick either. So I do notice that whenever you go and create your new all-time high, your usual price action tend to get disregarded. So let's drop that onto our small time frame, which is our weekly. So weekly has no top wick, right? We're still coming up. Even though it has no top wick, that doesn't mean that it won't drive up. It just means that it doesn't have range to drive up. So with the weekly and no bottom wick, any given time this thing can just still fly down for all I know, right? But overall, structure-wise, we are very bullish at the moment. This weekly candle has no top wick. We're still pushing up for the most part here. So I would not be surprised, even though the previous weekly candle has no top wick, and we still be able to pushing up further and create a new all-time high for all I know, right? So overall, on a weekly, this is the range that we are in, and we have today and tomorrow left on a weekly. So until the weekly candle actually close, we have a bit more information of what the next week can be. But overall, is the range we have right now at 2160 to 2364, 2365. Is that right? Yeah, 2365. Overall on the weekly. So let me drop down to daily, right? So daily, right? Daily, we literally closed bearish yesterday. Okay, that's cool. You have no bottom wick today, and first thing first, you open up with a top wick, and I imagine that even though today closed bearish, right, at some point you're gonna come up, down, and fill the wick. If you were to drive up, we have no bottom wick on our current day daily candle, and we are coming up to create our top wick overall. So I would imagine that if you are coming up here and create a top wick to come down for the wick, the question is how steep is the top wick going to be? If you are coming down to for the bottom wick, considering yesterday, considering daily candle of yesterday closed bearish, after creating the new resistance right here, right? And 2365 overall, that's your all-time high. And you have no bottom wick, right? Now it doesn't mean that this thing has to come down, create a bottom wick, but overall I would imagine there's a possibility that you would come down and flip on a daily, and then fill the wick on a daily chart. So let me drop down onto your 4 hours. So off the rip, I can see that you 4 hours, right? You close below here for the most part. You close back inside this range now, and this is the range you're in. You have 1 hour 36 minutes left. This is the range you're in overall. You close below the range. So question. So with the daily at the 4 hours, it's kind of start lining up now, because the daily has wick to fill, and the 4 hours that you close below the range. I would imagine that if you come up, break the high to grab liquidity, and come down, that would literally be your wick fill on a daily, right? So let me just drop down onto a small time frame and see what's up then. Yeah, you didn't close above here for most part. 1 hour coming up. Let me just okay, cool. So it seems that you have a minor support resistance here. So this is a range that you're in on a 1 hour and 4 hours, right? You literally close back inside the range on the 4 hours. Daily, literally bearish, no bottom wick. So I would expect, even if you should come down, you create some kind of small bottom wick. Doesn't mean that it has to come down, create some bottom wick, but with the way the daily candle closure yesterday, it closed bearish back inside the range. I would imagine that you open up like this with our current daily candle, open up with top wick like this. At some, you'll be able to come down and fill the rest of the wick. So that is our play for the day. Just a wick fill on the daily candle if there's an opportunity coming back on a small time frame, showing us that you are coming down. So let me drop down into a small time frame. So 4 hours closing an hour 33 minutes, and the previous 4 hour candle just really closed below, respecting this level of resistance, support resistance right here. Didn't close above, closed below, although it's closed bullish, right? So any given time, our 4 hours could flip and literally come up for all I know. That would be a fake out on the 4 hours. However, we close respecting. Let me see how the 30 and the 1 hour. So the 30 minutes candle gonna close in 3 minutes here. So I want to see how that candle gonna close. Buy for me overall. I have to close it above 23.44, and then I'll look for buyout. Yeah, I'll close it above 23.44, and then I'll look for buyout then. But overall right now, we are still very bearish. With the fact that daily has no bottom wick, we're coming up first, opening of the candle, a daily candle. closure below here should go on. Yeah, closure below here. I'm looking at this coming down. This could be the same manner you've got to be doing here. Similar marron, so I'll close it below here, just come straight down. Okay, 5 minutes candle close here. You open up the bottom way. One hour actually closed bearish though, so any given times this 1 hour could literally flip here. It's close to the bottom way. Interesting. How much did we move yesterday in terms of FOMC? So FOMC at 7, right? So that's the kind of movement we have. Didn't move much. There was the whole FOMC move right here, 100 pips. Still tradable though. Hmm. 5 minutes flipping here. Yep. I'm looking at this mirror right here. Potentially it could be the same. This potentially same mirror as well. So we see. see how the 1 hour candle closure here in 36 minutes, the first 30 minutes flat down, 15 closed doji. Yeah, it's got to be like a closure above 23.43 for me. Oh, thank you. It's got to be closure above 23.43 for me, even to consider buy. For now, it's just a sell, literally below 23.34 for me. Expecting daily to literally follow the wick. Pretty simple. I'm expecting the daily just to follow wick here. We have all the way down here though. We have all the way down here though, so I'm not too bothered with it. Okay, a break below 34 here. Can you break that? That's actually a daily flip, by the way, at 23.34. I need to see a closure below here. The 5 that should close back inside the range, so that's cool. 5 close back inside the range, and would there be a fake out then on the 5? If that is a fake out on a 5, you should see a continuation to drive all the way down towards 34. You see a reaction there. If it would break there, then yeah, we can look for a sell going down. Thank you. You can chat to me on this, bro. I don't use Discord. I have not set it up. Okay, 15. Let's just broke the low here. Let's see what it's done here. So if this is a fake out on a 5, you should see it start to drop down towards 23.44. One hour closely close bearish though, so this 1 hour could flip forward, I know, right? I would not be surprised if about 1 hour end up flipping here. And that because of 5 minutes history come back inside the range. 15, let's say closing 5 minutes here, so let's see how it's closing. The 1 hour could flip here. $15 goes back inside the range. Nice. Yeah, you have PPI at 1:30. So yeah. There's not much I can do here, apart from waiting for it to break out of this range, because this is the range that we are in right now. $15 closing 2 minutes here, so we'll see how's that closing. But looking like the 1 hour going to flip. Okay, so is that interesting? Yeah, I'm definitely going to resume my stream starting from tomorrow at 7 rather than 8, because I feel like 8 usually that's when the move's done, because I've noticed that for London session is we always been moving from 5:30 all the way towards 7. So our definitely will be streaming more 6:30, 7 o'clock. How does a 15 pose? Bearish back inside the range. Okay. You're still ranging now. This is fine, you're still ranging. It's a little bit rough here. Man, the ranging's so hard, bro. How's GJ doing? Yep, still propping up as usual. Coming down for a bottom work. It's close above the range. Yeah, it should be just a clean drive up. If anything. Here as well. It should be your book, should just not pop here, closing above this level. Closure above to a 192. Should give you a full full push towards Wickville. Minutes flat, 7 minutes. Closure on the 30 minutes here. I think if you are gonna close doji on the 30 minutes though, things might get a little bit tough. Because then that's a 1 hour candle close bullish back inside the range. Yeah, we just literally stuck in this inside this range. 23.40 to 23.34. There isn't much I can do here. Yeah, buy for me, actually we're close to 23.40. 23.43 overall. I can't do much. I just can't do much. Okay, the last 2 minutes you're up and down, okay. That's a 1 hour flat. No, not flat yet. Hey, that's rough. Okay, how much can you push in 1 minute here? How much can you actually push in 1 minute here? Looks like that 1 hour is going to close doji for the most part. If it's closed doji like this, then the next hourly candle, I would imagine if it breaks a low and then flat, it's just lets you a wick fill on a 1 hour candle. However, the 30 minutes candle closed bearish. 15 closed back inside, the 5 closed back inside range. So I'm not going to take a wick fill. Understand that this thing is continuing to drive down with a daily, literally right at flipping. Okay, 1 hour, 30 seconds here. How much can you push? Close back inside the range, that's cool. Break the high, end up flipping. 5 minutes, flip as well. Yeah, you know how I was saying the 5 goes back inside the range, it could be a potential fake out in the 5. 15 also goes back inside the range as well, so is this a fake out then? Okay, so 1 hour candle close, cool. Doji as expected. So now what you're gonna do? Now, if you close below 23.34, I believe that you should be able to have clean traffic to just drive down to its next level, 23.31, and then after that will be 23.40. But I need to see a closure though, because this 1 hour could just let you drop out and fill the wick here, and that's what it's doing. Man, if this 5 goes back inside the range, I'm really going to call it stream a day, because I don't see a setup at all, because we are going to be stuck in this range for some times until volumes come back in. Yeah, 5 close back inside the range here. It really looks like we are going to call it a day, my friend. Yeah, I can't do much here. Alright, with that being said, after seeing that 5 minutes candle closure back inside the range, the 15 looks like it's going to follow the wick. Same with the 1 hour as well. What I'll do is I'll wait for the 4 hour candle closure, and then we figure out that then, right? Right, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day. If you continue to trade, make sure you put on stop loss, and make sure you trade accordingly. And until next time, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt, like they know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Throw me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate now you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man, you can't see. How you think you could fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can hate that I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks that I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true, I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds. They disperse like when they flee, and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt, like they know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep